Guys, welcome to Trinity FX Global, and it's nice having you guys here again. So I'll just be showing you guys the last trade I took for today. Today is Friday, okay, the 14th of February, 2025, and this was the last and only trade I took. This is a GPP USD trade. Let me just load my chart as I show you guys the trade I took. Okay, so as the OGs know, I trade basically the break and retest forex strategy. Okay, so I actually took this trade and it has already smashed TP, as you can see right here. So let me just do a brief breakdown of what I saw that made me take this trade. But for the first timers to this YouTube channel, my name is Trinity FX. What I do basically is I document my journey as a forex trader on this platform. We've been trading a 500 USD account and we are still on that same account. Okay, so I'm just documenting the process to show you guys the reality of trading the foreign exchange market. Okay, so let's dive in back to the video. If contents like this are what you're interested in, please consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel if this is your first time. Okay, and do well to like this video, drop your comments in the comment section and I'll do well to reply ASAP. Now back to the video, guys. So basically the OGs know that the first thing I would love to do is to get my daily bias for the day. So as you can see, obviously this is GPP USD 1 hour chart. As you can see right here, guys, let's map out the market structure for this particular market. So you can see obviously that from here the market was at this point, did a push to the upside, which traced a little bit back, pushed again to this upside, we trace a little bit downwards. So as you can see, the market is forming higher highs and lower highs. As you can see, higher highs and lower highs. And what does that tell you? It tells you that the market is bullish, the market is trending to the upside. So merely looking at the chart, I just knew that my best shot for the day would be to watch out and to take only buy setups. So when the market was at this level, when I woke up, market was at this level, guys. So what I did, let me change the color. Let me change this color, guys. Just hold on. So market was at this level when I woke up. So what I just did was to wait for a break and retest. Now this was my zone. Let me show you the zone. Good. Now guys, this was the rejection point that I saw that I used to mark out the breakout zone. Okay, so I plotted out my resistance zone. Price broke through out of it. And after the breakout, guys, what do you see? We see a what? A retest back to the broken what? This was the breakout out of the zone, and price came back to come and tap into this resistance zone that began to act as what? Support. Now the reason why I took this support was because I'm seeing a fair value gap. Can you see this green box you see right there? That's my fair value gap indicator, showing me that there is a fair value gap inside of this my demand zone, which is my support zone. So that is the confirmation for me. Anytime I want to take a break and retest trade, I want to see a fair value gap in my entry zone. So there was the presence of this fair value gap in this zone, and that was why I entered my trade from there. And as you can see, it was a sniper entry. So in this particular trade, I was just risking what? 20 pips, as you can see right here, and I was targeting just 54 pips, which is a risk to reward ratio of 1:2.63, as you can see right here, and price smash TP. Currently, as you can see, price is still shooting to the upside, but I've already closed this trade in profit. So we took out about 54 pips in this particular GPP USD trade. Now let me show you guys a screenshot of the trade that I took before closing it. So this is a screenshot of the trade. Excuse me. This is a screenshot of the trade before I closed it. So I had to take a screenshot immediately before closing. As you can see, I actually opened multiple positions. I actually stacked up right here when the market was already in profit, and this was my first entries right there. Okay, so that's for the trade. Now let's go to our MT5, and so that I can give you guys brief breakdown of what the account looks like right now. So history, let's go to history. So this is my history for today, guys. Like as I told you, this was the only trade I took for today, the GPP USD buy trade, and we're able to make what, $70 from this particular trade. It was a very smooth trade, but there's bad news, guys. We really didn't make profit this week, and I'm going to show you guys. So let me just do a brief breakdown of my daily trades. Okay, so starting from on Monday, which was 10th, I made massive loss, guys. Can you see what happened? Remember, I told you guys I'm going to be showing you guys the reality of trading, my ups and downs and the journey, and I'll make sure that I'm as transparent as I can. Remember, this is our FBS real account, the same account we are still trading, the 500 USD account. So on Monday was bloody, guys. As you can see, I made massive loss. I lost about $132. Okay, now I just have to confess, guys. This particular Monday, I overtraded, I overexposed my account, and I over-risked. If you see, I took multiple trades, and all of the trades were losses. I was trying to pursue my losses. I was just trying to revenge trade, and the market hit me so bad, and I regretted trying to revenge the market. And I know it's the process, and I'm still getting to master my emotions, but I take responsibility for all of these losses I had on Monday. It was not supposed to be as much as this, but I was trying to revenge the market, and it hit me so hard, and I lost $132. At some point, I was even trying to trade another of my strategy, which was not breakout, and I still ended up eating SL. That was as much as it was on this account, and I really felt so frustrated. But that was for Monday. We ended with a loss of 132 USD. Tuesday, this was Tuesday. Tuesday, we still had a massive loss on Tuesday, but it wasn't as much as we had on Monday. We ended with minus 89 USD. Then on Wednesday was when we started recovering. On Wednesday, we ended with 54. As you can see, that was when I now came back to trading the normal way I was supposed to trade. We ended with 54.68 USD. And on Thursday, we ended with 17 USD. We didn't really make much on Thursday. And Friday, which is today, we ended with 70.95 USD. So in total, we could say that this week we just ended with a little loss. It was like a break-even week for us. So this week we didn't make anything. We ended with minus 14 USD on this account for this week. So this is what the account total looks like. This is the account balance now, 701. We are still not really making good progress right here, but we've learned our lesson this week, and hopefully next week is gonna be a lot much more better than this week. So for those that are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, especially for the newbies that we have, please do what to click on the subscription button, okay, on this YouTube channel, and subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna be documenting all of my trading journey as I promised you guys, and I'll just take you guys along so we all can learn from my trading experience and become better traders. Okay, if you have any topic you want me to discuss or talk about, any FX topic you still want me to talk about, please do want to use the comment section in this video, and I'll definitely reply and get back to you. Thank you very much for your time. This week we ended the week with 701 as our account balance, the same FBS real account as you can see, and we hope that next week would be a very good week for us. I've learned my lesson not to overtrade and not to revenge trade, and to manage my risk properly, and I'm very sure that next week will be a whole lot better because I've learned my lesson. Thank you very much, guys, for taking our time to watch the video to this end. See you guys next week. Bye.